Okay, up on the board, we show where we've been so far in the class. We began by looking at line AB. We said a line went both directions forever. And this is our symbol for line AB. It's the letters A and B with a double-headed arrow above it showing the line going both directions. We've noted that BA is the same as AB in terms of a line. Then we looked at segment AB. Segment was AB was the part of line AB that starts at A and ends at B, or we could say starts at B and ends at A and contains all points in between. Our symbol for segment AB are the letters A and B with just a bar above it with no letters. And again, segment BA is the same as segment AB, so you can reverse the letters and that would be just fine. We said that if we write the letters A and B, or BA, it doesn't matter, with no symbol above it, it means the length of segment AB. Now a term I'm not sure that I've given you, but maybe I have, is the term endpoint. We would say that in this picture of segment AB, the points A and B are the endpoints of segment AB. Well, we're going to add a new figure today, and that new figure is called a ray. So I'm going to lose this. We've been down that path anyway. I think I'll leave my picture of line AB up there. And let's write the definition of ray AB. Ray AB. And symbol-wise, that is A, B, with an arrow one direction pointing out to the right. Now, we'll see later on that this is the first time that the order of letters does matter. Ray AB and ray BA will be two different objects. Okay, so ray AB consists of the point A and all points on line AB that are on the same side of A as B. In some sense, we can think of a ray as being half a line. Now, let's draw right below line AB. I'm going to draw ray AB according to the definition. Ray AB, it says, starts at the point A. Okay. By the way, well, we'll get to it in a second. And consists, here's my point A, consists of all the points on line AB that are on the same side of A as B. So this is a picture. If I can darken it in a little bit there. That's a picture of ray AB. The term I was about to give you a second ago is that A is the endpoint of the ray. A is the endpoint of ray AB. Now notice I said a second ago that BA was different. According to the definition, if you call it ray BA, then it would start at B and go out through A. So this guy is a picture of ray BA. When we name a ray, we always name the endpoint first and then the point it goes through. So this is ray BA, and in this case, B is the endpoint. Again, notice that ray AB and ray BA are different figures. So for the first time, order does matter. Now, one of the reasons that we define what a ray is so that we can define one of our most important figures in the class, and that's an angle. So now we're going to use our definition of ray to make our definition of angle. If there's any of this you don't have, I would suggest you pause it and get it. I'm going to assume you've done that, and I'm going to go on. So let's write the definition of an angle first, and we'll draw the picture. An angle is a figure consisting of two rays with a common endpoint. In other words, both rays must share the same endpoint. Here's our first picture of an angle. This will be the endpoint that they have in common. We're going to call this Y. If I go out from Y in this direction through the point Z, then that is ray YZ. If I go out, say in this direction, and I'll make this the point X, this is ray YX. So ray YX and ray YZ form this angle here. We would say that Y, which is the common endpoint, Y is the vertex, which just means it's the common endpoint, of the angle. The two rays are the sides of the angle. So the sides of the angle are ray YZ and ray YX. The Y must come first in naming those rays because the Y is the endpoint of both rays. Once we have an angle, we'd like to, in a picture that has a lot of angles, be able to provide a name for the angle. So that's sort of our next topic. We'll work with this guy right here, and we'll come up with a couple different ways to name the angle. Again, I'll assume you've got your notes taken. To name an angle, choose a point from each ray, not the vertex, and the vertex. When we write this, this symbol, by the way, means angle. Sometimes you'll see it with a little mark across it, but that's just a difference in textbooks. Okay, so when we name this angle, we will either call it angle ZYX. Notice the Z came from one ray, the X came from the other ray, and the vertex was used. And when you do this, the vertex must always be in the middle. Now, the other way to name this is just to reverse the order. We could say angle X, Y, Z. Again, though, notice the vertex is in the middle. That's probably the best way to name an angle and the safest way to name an angle. There are two other methods. The second best method is that in some diagrams, you will see a number placed next to the vertex inside the angle. And the angle it's referring to, if you would just draw this, it's called an arc, a little arc across there, is the angle that's formed by the first ray you find on one side, which in this case is YZ, and the first ray on the other side, which is ray YX. And it's always placed next to the vertex. So if that is provided for you in the diagram, you could also call this angle 1. All of these are good names so far. Angle ZYX, angle XYZ, or angle 1 are all good names for that angle. Now, if there is only one angle in the picture with vertex Y, we can call this angle Y. Angle Y if only one angle, and we can't see the word angle, so I'll scoot this a little to the left. We can call this angle Y if only one angle has vertex Y. Okay, let's end this video because it's getting kind of long here. We've defined what an angle is, and we've given 3 different ways to name it.